Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting new release from Vivo, the Vivo S19 Pro. This flagship smartphone boasts impressive specs, a sleek design, and cutting-edge features. Whether you are a mobile photography buff, a power user, or just someone looking for a stylish new phone, the Vivo S19 Pro might be just what you are looking for. Let's dive in and explore everything this phone has to offer. In this video, we'll cover the Vivo S19 Pro's release date, detailed specifications, and pricing. We'll break down each key feature, including the display, memory, cameras, battery, platform, network capabilities, and more. By the end, you'll know if the Vivo S19 Pro is the perfect fit for you. Let's get started. First up, the release date. The Vivo S19 Pro was officially announced on 30th May 2024 and is already available for purchase. So, if you're excited about this phone, you can get your hands on it right now. The Vivo S19 Pro features a stunning 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1260 x 2800 pixels. It supports 1 billion colors and has a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth visuals whether you are gaming, streaming, or just browsing. With a peak brightness of 4500 nits, you'll have no trouble seeing your screen even in bright sunlight. Plus, the display is protected by durable materials and offers an impressive screen-to-body ratio of 90.2%. Memory and storage are crucial for any smartphone. The Vivo S19 Pro doesn't disappoint, offering several variants: 8GB RAM with 256GB storage, 12GB RAM with 256GB storage, and up to 16GB RAM with 512GB storage. It uses UFS 3.1 for fast data access, but keep in mind there's no microSD card slot, so choose your storage option wisely. Photography enthusiasts will love the Vivo S19 Pro's camera setup. It boasts a triple camera system, a 50MP wide lens with PDAF and OIS, another 50MP telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom, and an 8MP ultra-wide lens. Whether you are capturing landscapes, portraits, or close-ups, this phone has you covered. It also supports 4K video recording and features like ring LED flash, panorama, and HDR dot. Selfie lovers, rejoice! The front camera is a 50MP shooter with autofocus and dual LED flash, ensuring you get the perfect shot every time. It also supports 4K video recording, making it ideal for vloggers and video calls. Battery life is essential, and the Vivo S19 Pro comes with a robust 5500 mAh battery. It supports 80W wired charging, which can get you back to 100% in no time. Plus, it offers reverse wired charging, so you can power up other devices on the go. The Vivo S19 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9200 Plus chipset, paired with Android 14 and OriginOS 4. This powerful combination ensures smooth performance, whether you are gaming, multitasking, or streaming. In terms of connectivity, the Vivo S19 Pro supports GSM, CDMA, HSPA, LTE, and 5G networks. It also features Wi-Fi 6.7, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, and an infrared port. The phone is IP68, IP69K dust and water resistant, making it durable for everyday use. Finally, let's talk about the price. The Vivo S19 Pro is priced at approximately €420. Considering its high-end specs and features, it offers great value for money. And that wraps up our in-depth look at the Vivo S19 Pro. With its stunning display, powerful performance, versatile cameras, and robust battery, it's a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a top-tier smartphone. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and updates. Want to stay updated on the latest smartphone releases? Click here to check out our latest video on the best upcoming phones of 2024. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and keep exploring the latest in tech with us. Watch our related videos right here, and don't forget to subscribe.